Good morning, though. It is Monday morning, November 16th, I want to say. Bright and early in the AM. I am so tired. It's not even funny. I did not get any sleep. Do you guys see these bags under my eyes? I got no sleep. Why? Because one Mr. Jackson, did not allow me to get sleep. I don't know what the deal was with this cat. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put on clothes and then bring you guys back on. Hey Alexa, pause. Okay, we are up. We are showered. Our hair is washed. Guys, when I tell you I am tired, you also can't see me. I'm gonna light this candle real fast. Ooh, there's a chance. I feel like I'm about to cast a spell. Okay. Y'all, as I was saying earlier, I got no sleep last night. Absolutely none. I'm so tired. It's not even funny. So, as I said last week, so here's my goal. I am gonna try uploading every week and just do one long weekly vlog. And whatever content is in that weekly vlog is the content in the weekly vlog. But here, I'm gonna set you guys here. As I was saying, you can't see me. That's better. As I was saying, so I didn't get any sleep last night because Jax was just like off the rocker. I don't know what was his deal last night, but he would not like calm down. And typically they're at the point, so both Jax and Jinx, they're born on the same day. They were born April 15th. And they're really good at sleeping through the night now, especially Jinx. Jinx can sleep through the whole night and be perfectly fine, which is great. But Jax last night was like, I don't even know what his deal was. And usually I don't like kick him out of my bedroom. But because I sleep, like Jax will usually sleep in the bed with me. Jinx sleeps under the bed and that's just their place. I don't know why he sleeps under the bed though, honestly. Usually they can like sleep and it's fine. It's not an issue. But Jax just like did not sleep last night. He kept playing with the blinds in my bedroom, which was annoying because I'm like, dude, I don't want you to mess with those blinds. He didn't stop. I was just so frustrated overall. So I kept having to get up and get him to stop because he kept not like the little handle. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a long handle that you can like open and close the curtains with, or the blinds, and he kept batting at it. And I don't like him batting at it because I don't want him to break them. They have already broken 3 of the blinds, which I need to call maintenance to get them fixed because it's just like weird gaps now. So I had to keep like getting up, picking him up, setting him down. And then I tried to get him in the bed with me. He didn't want to get in the bed. He like kept going back to the window, and I don't know what his deal was. You literally would have thought it was like a cat possessed by something. So by the end of it, I like picked him up and literally like shucked him out of the bed or like in my room, and I like closed the door, and he started crying at the door. And then I'd like start to fall asleep, couldn't fall asleep because he's crying, and I'm like an extremely light sleeper. So then I have to go pick him back up, bring him back in the room. He starts doing the blinds, pick him back up, let him leave the room, close the door. And then I'd wake up to him like pawing at the door and crying. So by the end of it, honestly, I think when it's all said and done, I probably got a total of like 3 hours of sleep. Like I got no sleep, which I'm just not happy about. So alrighty, we have breakfast. I'm literally in a meeting right now, but I got a 20-ounce cold brew. It's like a large cold brew. It has ice, like the ice cubes are coffee, which is really dope, with almond milk and vanilla syrup. And then I ordered a breakfast burrito and a breakfast croissant. but I figured it'd be fun to do a taste test with the coffee while I procrastinate on this meeting. I am so sorry. So, I ordered from Black Sugar Cafe here in good old Austin, Texas. It's a really, really good coffee shop. 10 out of 10 recommend if you guys haven't gone before. But I haven't tried their cold brew before. So, let's give her a try. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Okay. We're happy. Oh my gosh. What's up, you guys? So it is significantly later since I last talked to you. It's 8:10 at night. I think the last time I talked to you guys, I had like ordered breakfast. Jesus. Today has been it's been a day. Honestly, I wasn't gonna vlog today, and I'm kind of forcing myself to, because I feel like I should vlog these things. But today, I started off today having such a good day, and I didn't get any sleep, which like really sucked. And like, you know, Jax was a handful today, but it is what it is. However, I wind up having a like anxiety attack halfway through the day, and it was so bad. An anxiety attack halfway through the day, and normally I don't talk about my anxiety on camera. It's just not something I normally discuss, just because the entire point of my YouTube channel, and I feel like every freaking person who posts videos on YouTube is like, it's to make everyone else feel happy, which is true, but I also post on here because I want to post the highlights of my life. I want to post the good things, but you guys are also my people, and I want to post the good and the bad. Excuse me, the good and the bad and the ugly. So I had a really bad anxiety attack today, and a part of it, I honestly think it was triggered because I didn't sleep last night. I got no sleep, and then I was dealing with this one all day, and I like got super jittery from like having coffee, and it was bad. I was like shaking and crying, and it was not cute. I wound up like calling my mom and just had her talk me through it, and kind of just had a leisurely day. Like partway through me literally having a mental breakdown, my maintenance guy came to fix the blinds in my bedroom because this little kitty, yet again, has broken quite a few of the blinds in my bedroom, so they needed to get fixed. But I'm okay now. Like I said, normally when these happen, I don't vlog about it. I don't want to vlog. But I wanted to start posting weekly vlogs, especially just getting back into the swing of things, coming up to Vlogmas, because so many exciting things is happening in the month of December. Like, guys, I'm so excited. We're so excited, Jackson. Yeah, we're excited for the month of December. I guess I can officially announce it. My parents are moving down to Texas. I'm so happy to have them down here, and my little sister is coming with them. So literally my whole family is migrating down to Texas, which is great because I miss my mom, and I miss my dad, and I miss my sister, and I miss my birds. So it's gonna be nice to have them there. I have them here. And just like the holidays, I want to do something special this year for Kyra's birthday, and just like I'm just really excited for the month of December. I'm excited for this year to be freaking over. 2020 has been the longest, shortest year ever, hands down. But Vlogmas also just puts me in a really good mood. I want to get like a Christmas tree to put into my apartment. I'm going to be doing Christmas presents for the kiddies. I'm planning some stuff for work. Like, it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm very excited for it. But you know, some days are just not that good, and I need to be better at, you know, posting the good and the bad and the ugly, and doing a realistic expectation of it. Not everything is always sunshine and rainbows, you know? So I'm okay. I don't think I ever really talked about the fact I do have anxiety, like diagnosed anxiety. It's a thing. But I haven't had like an anxiety attack like that in quite some time. So yeah, you guys hear the cats. Literally, I can't pick up one without the other being like, hello, I want attention too. Like, Jinx is literally walking around my foot like a piranha. So Jax, I gotta set you. This cat was asleep. Jax, I gotta set you down, bubs. I gotta set you down. Good morning, you guys. What is up? So it is Wednesday, my dudes. It's Wednesday, November 18th. I don't know my days anymore. Does anyone else feel that way? I literally don't know days. It's Wednesday. I know that much. But I have little baby Jax in the corner. Did I sleep well last night? No. Did I get any sleep? Not really. Why? Because that little man would not leave me the hell alone all day. Okay, I'm working and I turn around and look at how cute Jinx is being. Ah, he's so precious. I can't. So listen, I don't normally play Christmas music until Christmas. Like, I don't play music for Christmas until December, but I feel like I have been waiting all year for Christmas. Like, I usually do not anticipate Christmas as badly as I was anticipating Christmas this year. It was absolutely astronomical the way that I was begging and pleading and waiting for Christmas to come, because I just couldn't with this year. And now that it's here, I'm like, I want to listen to the music. I want to vibe. Give me a vibe. So I'm just trying to vibe to Casey. What can I say? What's up, guys? We're super zoomed in. I'm eating lunch right now. It's like 12:34. I ordered a salad, a salmon Caesar salad from La Madeleine, which is like a French bakery. So, okay, so you want here's this is what the salad looks like. It just has like Caesar dressing, romaine lettuce, a little bit of Parmesan, avocado, salmon, and I think like croutons. I don't know. And then I'm drinking a coffee from Starbucks. This is the Grande Vanilla Sweet Cream Cold Brew with almond milk and a venti cup. What's up, guys? So it is significantly later since I talked to you. I think the last time I talked to you guys, I was on lunch, eating lunch. So it is, my skin looks really good and like dewy right now. Probably because I've been drinking hella water. Anyway, so I just cooked dinner. It's a little late. It's like 9 o'clock, but I wasn't that hungry. But I'm really proud of this. So I wanted to show you guys. It's completely like vegetarian friendly. Be proud of it. So let me show you. Okay, so I have literally the most perfectly ripe avocado, and then I have these fried plantains that I made that I'm obsessed with. My godmom, for all intents and purposes, back in Wisconsin, is Puerto Rican, and she taught me how to make fried plantains or plantanos, so I made that. And then I have like these somewhat refried black beans, but they're not really refried, they're just like, I don't know, cooked down. It smells really good. And then some sour cream and some rice with a little bit of lime juice. So I'm loving that. Ignore the boxes. They're for the cat. I got Alicia Marie on the background. My TV is not that small. It just looks that small on camera. But we're going to feast. Good morning, you guys. What is up? So it is Saturday, November 21st. It's 8:24 in the morning. I'm running a little bit late. I'm on my way to my sister's house because she is we're going shopping for Thanksgiving because I'm celebrating Thanksgiving with her tomorrow. Okay, guys, so a little bit later since I talked to you, I am an idiot and made a grave mistake. I was placing a pickup order from Starbucks because I'm tired. Last time I talked to you guys, I went to get, okay, we're like very overexposed. I'm so sorry. But the last time I talked to you guys, I was with Kyra. We had just gotten breakfast. I'm leaving her place actually, or I just left her place, and I'm heading to home because I have to do some homework. But I got coffee and I accidentally placed my Starbucks order at the wrong Starbucks location. The one that I placed it at is like 10 minutes away from me, and it's like in the opposite direction of where I was going. So luckily Starbucks was so sweet. The people at this location was the nicest, and they're like, look, like, just show us your receipt, we can make you a new drink. And I was like, oh, thank you. So we got the Starbs. Very excited. I am drinking the coffee that Morgan Yates recommends, and it is a, let me see, for her to have that bougie of a bag, I did not think she'd be driving that vehicle. Oh, it's not on there. Anyway, it's a vanilla sweet cream cold brew with almond milk and 2 pumps of peppermint versus vanilla. So it's not bad. Honestly, I don't hate it. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Anyway, I'm about to head to home. I have to write a paper. And I'm just gonna give some love into the cats and just chill. I have some HelloFresh meals like Kyra wound up not cooking that she gave to me, so we're gonna make some HelloFresh tonight. And yeah, but it's hot in my car. It's 76 degrees, so let's get going.